Okay, so today we are going to talk about the Earth's layers, and not only the Earth's layers, it is the Earth's atmosphere layers. So how many layers are there and what does it consist of? The first one is the troposphere. Now the troposphere is where the weather occurs. So this is where we see our clouds, where we see the weather, where it rains, where we see all of the sunniness that we see now. That is where it happens. The temperature also decreases with altitude. Now, altitude is when you're going higher and higher into the air. So most clouds appear, as we said before, mainly because of the 99% of water vapor in the atmosphere is found in this part of the troposphere. It is also where we see plains. That is where we right up into the sky. Next one is the stratosphere. It is one above. It is where the infamous as we know, is not a good, particular famous thing. It is the ozone layer, which is found in this one. The ozone molecules in this layer absorb high energy ultraviolet, is what we see the lights from the sun, and it converts the energy into heat. The higher you go, the warmer it gets. The next one is the mesosphere, which is where temperatures grow colder as you rise up. The air is also far too thin for us to breathe. So now this is where we would need oxygen. The coldest temperatures in the Earth's atmosphere is about -90 Celsius. That is pretty cold for it to be up there. So next one is the thermosphere, which is high energy X-rays and UV radiation from the sun are absorbed in the thermosphere, raising its temperature to the hundreds. Now in this layer, it is so thin it would be freezing cold to us. This is where we see satellites. Also, fun fact, this is where we see the aurora borealis. Now, the aurora borealis is when we see those northern lights. I don't know if you guys ever seen Frozen. You know how in Frozen you see those lights that kind of look like a rainbow? That is what they are. Now, what Earth's atmosphere used to consist is what it contains is all of these fancy molecules, which is ammonia, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane, nitrogen, and water vapor. Now, as the years have progressed, as we have built stuff and the atmosphere has changed, now we only see argon, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen, oxygen, and water vapor. So you see there's less hydrogen, there's no more monoxide, and the ammonia has converted into argon. Hope this helps. If we see any other problems.